How to join Marble Rivals Discord server. So what you have to do firstly is you're just going to go on any browser, it doesn't matter. Now from here, you're just going to have to search on Marble Rivals. It could be on a phone, Android, iPhone, or on your PC, Mac, it doesn't matter. Then once you do that, you're going to have to click on the first link right here where it's on Marble Rivals. Now from here, you're going to have to select the Discord button right here. Then it should take you to this page right here, and as you guys can see, it said you have been invited to Marble Rivals. Join Marble Rivals. So you're just gonna have to click on join. Then once you do that, then it should take a while and it should take you to their Discord server. Now from here, it's gonna tell you to choose what language you speak. So obviously we're gonna click on EN. This goes for English. Click on next. Click on NA. Now for this, you could select whatever you want: PC, PlayStation, Xbox. I'm just going with PC. For this, you could put whatever. So just click on all the above. Click on finish. Now as you guys can see, I could type in general. I have a general setting, whatever. I could basically do anything. This is basically the Marble Rival Discord server. All you gotta do is just verify with the phone, and you're going to be able to type in this. So if this video helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.